Hi, everyone. Welcome to Everyday English Talk. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Today, we want to talk about something simple your morning routine. How do you start your day?
Yes, your morning routine. Sometimes mornings can be calm and happy, sometimes a little messy.
That's true. For me, mornings are not always easy. Today, I woke up late.
Oh, really? I woke up very early. But first, let's ask you all, what's the very first thing you do when you wake up? Think about it while we talk.
That's a good question. I usually hit the alarm. Alarm is the sound that wakes you up in the morning.
I like to take a deep breath first. Deep breath means to slowly breathe in and out. It makes me feel calm.
That's nice. After that, I brush my teeth. Brush your teeth means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
And I wash my face. Washing your face means cleaning it with water and soap. It feels fresh.
Some people like coffee. Toffee is a drink made from roasted beans. It helps you wake up.
I usually prefer juice. Juice is liquid from fruits, sweet and healthy.
And while you drink something, it's nice to think about the day. Maybe plan your first task.
Yes, even small planning helps. It makes the day easier.
Mornings are our fresh start. Every day is new. You can decide how to feel.
That's true. Today, let's try something. Take a moment, think about one happy thing in your morning.
I'll go first. I like listening to birds outside my window. It makes me smile.
Me too. I love the quiet morning sun.
And now, listeners, while we continue talking, think about your morning. Maybe try one new thing tomorrow.
Small steps can make your morning better.
We'll share more soon, but first, enjoy this calm moment with us.
Yes. Breathe slowly, relax, and imagine your morning routine.
And if you like this calm start, stay with us. We have more to share about getting ready and breakfast.
So, after waking up and a little quiet time, what do you usually do next, Emma?
I usually take a shower. Shower means to wash your body with water. It makes me feel fresh.
That's good. I like showers too. Sometimes I listen to soft music while I shower. Music makes me happy.
After the shower, I dry my hair and get dressed. Get dressed means to put on your clothes.
Clothes are important. They make me feel ready for the day. What do you usually wear in the morning?
I like something comfortable, maybe jeans and a t-shirt.
That sounds nice. I usually wear casual clothes too. Comfort is the key.
And after getting dressed, I go to the kitchen for breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day. What do you like to eat?
I usually eat cereal. Cereal is dry food you eat with milk in the morning.
I like toast. Toast is bread that is heated until it is brown and a little crispy.
Sometimes I add fruit. Fruit is healthy food from plants, like apples or bananas.
I usually drink coffee. Coffee helps me feel awake.
I prefer juice today. Juice is liquid from fruit. It's sweet and healthy.
That's a good choice. Drinking something healthy in the morning is important.
And while I eat, I like to think about my plan for the day.
Planning means deciding what you will do. It helps the day go smoothly.
Sometimes I read a little news too. News means information about recent events.
I like that, but I try not to spend too much time on my phone. Phones can be distracting.
True. And after breakfast, I usually clean the dishes. Dishes are plates, cups, and bowls we use for food.
Cleaning helps the kitchen look nice and tidy.
Then I put on my shoes and get my bag ready. Shoes protect your feet. Bag hold your things.
Everything ready. Now we are fully prepared to start our day.
Yes, mornings are calm if we follow small steps.
And remember, listeners, you can make your mornings better too. Just try one small thing tomorrow.
That's right. Even a small habit can change your day.
Are you ready to start your day now?
I am. And we hope you feel inspired to enjoy your morning too. Now that we've finished breakfast, what's next for you, Jake?
I usually check my schedule. Schedule means a plan for your day. It helps me know what to do first.
That's smart. I usually pack my bag. Bag holds all the things I need for the day.
I like to check the weather too. Weather means the condition outside, like sunny, rainy, or cold.
Yes, that's important. I don't want to forget an umbrella if it rains.
Good idea. After that, I usually write a small to-do list. To-do list is a list of tasks you want to finish today.
I do that too. It helps me feel organized.
And then I brush my hair. Brush means to clean and arrange hair.
I like to put on a little perfume too. Perfume is a nice smelling liquid.
I like that. Small habits can make you feel happy and confident.
Exactly. And now we are ready to leave the house or start work at home.
Sometimes I take a short walk before work. Walk means to move on your feet slowly.
Walking is nice. It wakes up your body and clears your mind.
Right. And during this time, I often listen to a podcast or soft music. Music is a good companion for the morning.
I like that too. Listening while walking makes the day calm and positive.
And when I arrive at work, I like to greet everyone. Greet means to say hello politely.
That's very friendly. I do the same. Saying hello makes people happy.
And before I start my tasks, I usually drink some water. Water is healthy and keeps you awake.
I always do that. Drinking water is simple but important.
So, with small habits like checking the schedule, packing the bag, and walking, the morning feels smooth.
Yes, smooth mornings make the rest of the day easier.
Listeners, you can try one or two of these habits tomorrow. It's simple, but it works.
Even small steps like drinking water or brushing hair can make your morning calm and happy.
And now we are ready to start working or studying.
Yes, and we hope your morning is peaceful too, listeners.
Now that we are ready, it's time to start our tasks. Task means something we need to do today.
Yes, I usually check my task list first. Task list is a list of things you want to finish.
That helps me too. And sometimes I write notes. Note means a short reminder or information.
Good idea. I also check my emails. Email is a message sent online.
Right. And if I have a meeting, I prepare before it starts. Meeting is when people talk together about work.
Meetings can be short or long. I like short ones.
Me too. And it's nice to greet colleagues. Colleague means a person who works with you.
Yes, greeting colleagues is friendly and polite.
Sometimes I have a big project. Project means a set of tasks with a goal.
Big projects can be exciting, they take time, but it feels good when you finish them.
And every project has a deadline. Deadline is the time when a task must be done.
Deadlines can feel stressful, but if we plan, it's easier.
Exactly. I usually take a short break after finishing one task. Break means a short rest between work.
Breaks are important. They help us feel fresh and ready for the next task.
And when I finish a meeting or project, I write notes about what I did.
Notes help you remember important things for later.
Yes, and I always try to organize my desk. Organized means tidy and in order.
I like that too. A clean desk makes it easier to focus.
Listeners, you can try organizing your tasks today. It's simple, but it helps a lot.
Even writing one note or checking one email can make your day smoother.
Small habits like greeting a colleague or taking a break make the workday calm.
Yes, calm and positive mornings lead to a better day.
And now we are ready for the final part of our morning routine.
Stay with us, listeners. We will finish our day with a happy and easy morning. Now that our tasks are done, it's nice to take a moment and relax.
Yes, relax means to rest and feel calm. I like to sit and breathe slowly.
I like that too. Sometimes I look outside the window. The sun and sky make me feel happy.
Morning is the best time to enjoy small things. Small things mean little moments that make you smile.
And it's a good time to plan the rest of your day. Planning means thinking ahead about what you will do.
I usually take one more sip of coffee or juice before moving on. It's a nice ending to the morning.
And a calm morning helps us feel ready, focused, and positive. Focused means paying attention to one thing at a time.
Positive means feeling good and hopeful about your day.
Listeners, try to enjoy your morning tomorrow. Even small habits can make a big difference.
Yes, like drinking water, greeting a colleague, or taking a short break.
And remember, every morning is a fresh start. Fresh start means a new beginning to feel good and do your best.
You can decide how to start your day. Small steps make it easier and happier.
We hope you enjoyed this calm morning routine with us today.
And if you liked this episode, there's more to come with simple and helpful English dialogues.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Everyday English Talk, so you never miss an episode.
Yes, subscribe and join us every week for friendly English practice.
Thank you for spending your morning with us. Have a wonderful day, listeners.